5th of October 2022, and just do a quick update on a growing video, because everything's growing well. With my gum, it's miserable. It's a real miserable day. I was going to do all sorts this morning, I've done absolutely nothing. Asparagus, I can tell, is growing. Oh, look at them, the spears are flying. Come out and see them flying up. And leaf beet, we eat plenty of that. I eat plenty of it. And cauliflowers for next year. You couldn't really go in the garden today, it's just too bad. I had to put the fire on this morning to keep myself warm. I'll walk down to these asparagus beds. God, they seem to have grown since yesterday. Well, that spear there wobbling in the wind. It's a new saying, wobbling in the wind. This is the original asparagus bed. Hopefully we'll get some eating, the spears to eat next year off them. Oh my God, fence is starting to fall down. There's the tip. Yeah, the comfrey's finished now. We've had a good crop of it. A very good crop. Some of the asparagus ferns now is dying off. You can see them going brown. Yeah. More asparagus over there. It's the only trouble with this leaf beet. Some of it goes to seed, but there's plenty of it. Broad beans are coming on very well. I'm not sure how to survive the winter. I must get the strawberries cut down this week so I can go in the bin. And the trees want cutting. Right, see inside the greenhouse now. All done. Just got to get the soil out and that, get ready for painting. The perennial leeks bed's going well. After the shock it got from us putting a new window in. Yeah, this is the first bed I grew, asparagus bed I grew, and you can see the ferns going off now. Mind, it's a good bed. It's a good bed. Yeah. Yeah, it's one of the cabins I use this to put all the junk in. It's good in this one. Call it Marty's cabin, this, because he built it all them years ago. plenty to do. These are my conservatories, but I must admit I'm more in the other garden than this one, but this is brilliant, listen. I've had many happy hours in here. That's what I make the comfrey. Loads of bottles this year. It's a bit of a mess, bit of a faff on, but seems to work. Onions are about finished now. I seem to grow a lot of onions, but they'll get used. Plenty of cabbages and things stayed, and they're looking good. Oh, 3 Maylies, my favourite colours. Eh? Look, yeah. That one's, the cock belongs to Fred, the hen belongs to Eddie Johnson, Fred, and the little one belongs to Davy Bell. Right? Yeah, Fred's laughing like, but it's mine.